Hey, dance family.
Hello.
We are back home from our weekend in the DMV.
Yes.
We want to thank you guys for showing up. We really, really appreciate it. You could have been any place else, but you spent your time with us, and we are so thankful to each and every one of you. So we're about to go over all the things we went over this past weekend, so this way you can practice it. So when we see you at the Shades of Blue and Gold Dance Extravaganza, we can get our dances in. You can show us all the stuff that you learned and remember. You know, we had a great time. We are proud of all of you guys, and so we're excited to go over all the stuff, you know, that we showed you this weekend. Hey, dance family. We are here about to go over the step-in portion of the workshop from this past weekend. Here we go.
7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Push,
7,
pull.
8, 1, 2,
Wrap to your right.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Unwrap to the left. Re-wrap to the right.
3, 4, 5,
Unwrap.
6, 7.
We're going to roll them out back to a hammer lock.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Roll them back out, switch hands.
2, 3.
Bring them back home.
4, 5, 6,
Bump.
7, 8.
All right, we're gonna do it for one more angle. Here we go.
7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Push, pull.
7, 8, 1.
Wrap it to your right.
4,
And around to your left.
8.
Unwrap.
1, 2,
Rewrap.
4, 5,
Unwrap.
6, 7, 8.
Around
1, 2, 3.
to the hammer lock.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Roll them out, roll
8.
back, switching hands.
1, 2, 3.
Bring them back.
4, 5, 6.
Bump it.
7, 8.
All right, that's what we got through in the stepping session. We had more, but time ran out, so work on that. When I get there, hopefully I'll see it. If you check the other videos on the It's the Dance Community channel, you will see us doing it while we were at the Rodney Mack 20th anniversary. So you can see it in action on the dance floor. Okay, that's the stepping session. So on to the ballroom.
Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you what we covered this weekend in class. First I'm going to ask Gary, he's going to help me. So I'm going to ask him to turn around and I'm going to have him to show the rear view while I show the front view of what we covered. So we're going to start out and we're just going to roll through, and in between each move that we learned, I'm going to do a ballroom up. So 5, I'll start with slightly with my right foot back. So 5, 6, ballroom up. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. Hesitate. 1,
2,
ballroom up. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. Hesitate.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. Half turn.
1, 2, 3, step left.
1, 2, 3, step right. Half turn.
1, 2, 3, step left.
1, 2, 3, step right. Ballroom up. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. Full turn.
1, 2, 3, step left.
1, 2, 3, step right. Full turn.
1, 2, 3,
step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. Ballroom up. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right. Deep in. And also during the class, we talked about the rule of turning. And so I'm going to share that with you. If your right leg is back, if the follower's right leg is back, you only could turn them left. Right. So if their left leg is back, if the left leg is back, this is the left for me, the follower can only go right. They can only make a right turn. Okay? So keep that in mind when you're dancing. The other thing that we talked about was the leads keeping time with their right leg. So they're just not standing there while they're turning or sending the follower out. So Gary, can I borrow you for a second? So in this case, I am the lead and Gary is the follower. So we're just gonna start and I'm gonna show you. If you pay attention to my right leg right here, you can see, or hopefully it'll help you remember what we discussed. Gary, can you move over just slightly so you can catch everything? So 5, 6, ballroom up. 1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right.
1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step
Send them
right.
out again. Watch my right leg.
1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step right.
All right. 1, 2,
Here we go,
step
ball 'em up.
right. 1, 2, 3, step left.
Come back, send them out
1,
full
2,
turn
3,
for the
step
leader.
right. 1, 2, 3,
Travel
step
turn
left.
leader.
1, 2, 3, step
Travel
right.
turn follower.
1, 2, 3, step
High
left.
spin up, bring 'em home.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Ballroom up.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Part 2, we did the
1,
break it
2, 3,
down.
step right.
Break it down.
In, out, step,
pivot. 1, 2, flip. 1, 2, 3, step back. 1, 2, 3, step left. Turn the followers, turn them, face them.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Baby spake step.
Pause. 1, 2, 3, step
Low
left.
spin up, bring them home.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Now, we also spent some time going over the break it down because some people had not seen the break it down before. So, because they were new to the class, they weren't at that last session. So, we're going to work on the break it down real quick. So, we're going to ballroom up, 5, 6, ballroom up.
1, 2, 3, step left.
And the break it down goes like
1,
this.
2, 3, step
Break it
right.
down. In, out, step, pivot. 1, 2, 3, break it down. In, out, step, pivot. 1, 2, 3, step back. And I'm gonna do the last one, then we'll do everything sideways so you can see it from the other side. Okay, the last move we did was the Houdini. And so here we go. 5, 6, ballroom up.
1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step
Send them
right.
out. Parallel grab,
1, 2, 3, step
salsa
left.
social.
1, 2, 3, step right.
2-hand travel
1,
turn
2,
down the
3,
lane.
Step left.
Come half
1,
turn
2,
through the
3,
arms.
step right.
Free spin.
1, 2, 3, step
Bring them
left.
home.
1, 2, 3, step
Ballroom up.
right.
Now the
1, 2,
move
3,
actually
step
ended
left.
before the free spin.
1,
The free
2,
spin
3,
I just
step
put on
right.
the end.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Just for
1, 2,
continuity's
3,
sake. One
step
more time.
right. 1, 2, 3, step left.
Full turns to the
1, 2,
salsa
3,
social.
step left.
2-hand travel turn down the
1,
lane.
2, 3, step left.
Through the arms that you
1, 2,
have.
3, step right.
Free spin.
1, 2, 3, step
Bring them
left.
home.
1, 2, 3, step right.
All right. Now we're gonna do it one more time from the side angle, so you have it from the side to make sure you can see it. You got it. So here we go. 5, 6, ballroom up.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Send them out with a leader's
Step
full
right.
turn.
1, 2, 3,
Leader's
step
travel
left.
turn.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Follower's travel turn.
1, 2, 3,
High
step
spin out,
left.
bring them home.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Ballroom up.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Break it
1, 2,
down.
3, step
Right
right.
here.
In, out, step, pivot. 1, 2,
Flip.
3. 1, 2, 3, step back.
Walk up.
1, 2,
Offer the
3,
hand.
step left. 1, 2, 3,
Spin the
step
follower
right.
and face them.
1, 2, 3, step
Baby
left.
spake step.
Pause. 1, 2, 3, step
Those
left.
spin out, bring them home.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Okay, the last thing we worked on this past weekend was the Houdini. So here we go with the Houdini. 5, 6, ballroom up.
1, 2, 3, step left. 1, 2, 3, step
To the
right.
right.
1, 2, 3, step
Salsa
left.
social.
1, 2, 3, step
Travel
right.
turn down lane, 2
1,
hands.
2, 3, step left.
Come through.
1, 2, 3, step right.
Free spin.
1, 2, 3, step left.
Bring them on home.
1, 2, 3, step right.
And there we go. That's the Houdini, which was free spin and bring them back home on the end. Free spin and bring them home was extra add-on. The other part was the Houdini. So that was the stuff we went over this past weekend. Hope you enjoyed yourself as much as we enjoyed you. Practice. Again, see you at the Shades of Blue and Gold Dance Extravaganza to get our dances in and see all the stuff you learned and remember. And we look forward to seeing y'all again and working with y'all again. Y'all have a blessed one.